Hey, you know what's great? That my company I work for switched insurances this year from United Health to Anthem BCBS. Now that's Blue Cross Blue Shield. But it's not the regular Blue Cross Blue Shield, because regular Blue Cross Blue Shield kicks ass. No, this is Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield, which is like a semi-related company that's basically using the name and then sucking at a number of things. Now, my children are all dually insured. Because of income guidelines, they all get state insurance as a secondary insurance to pay for any out-of-pocket costs or co-pays that are not covered by the primary insurance. When I had United Health, it was simple. I just coordinated benefits between UCare and United Health. And then United was the primary and paid their portion, and whatever was left got billed to UCare, and I didn't have to do anything. But not Anthem. Anthem likes to fuck you around. Because they're like, hey, did you know your insurance is active, but we're going to tell everybody it's inactive? So both of your baby mamas are going to call you pissed off or comment to you about how there's a problem with the insurance. And then one of them gets on the phone because they're so fed up and spends a half an hour trying to get to the bottom of it. What they find out is, oh, it's not that there's a problem with detecting that my insurance is not active, because I know it is. Those motherfuckers have been taking the money out of it of all my checks. Also, I've given each of my daughters new medical cards to the doctor multiple times to have it fucking entered. So everything on my end seems rosy. But my ex finds out that, oh, well, see, the problem is that they use some third-party software or something, and that the problem is that they're not communicating between Anthem BCBS and the doctor. So something's getting lost in translation, so when they go to bill Anthem, Anthem farms it to this third party, and this third party doesn't do shit, and their customer service is garbage. And if you read about Anthem, Blue Cross, Blue Shield online, you're not going to see a lot of fucking glowing reviews. What you're going to see is they deny almost everything, and their customer service is shit, and they're just like, oh, yeah, we don't fucking coordinate benefits. What we do is we get the bill, and then we fuck it up, and then we tell you, and if you have some out-of-pocket costs that you need paid by secondary insurance, you can submit a claim. We just want your money and to tell you to go fuck yourself. We don't actually want to do anything for you. How the fuck is this legal, and why is this being allowed? Didn't Donald Trump run on a partial platform of, I'm going to be the guy that I'm going to make sure that the doctors are billing the insurance directly and you don't have to file claims. We're going to cut out the middleman. There's too much of that shit. And he's too busy fucking deporting people that he can't even prove are actually gang members and then trying to fuck up the economy with his tariff bullshit. No, he doesn't do any of what he said he would do to help with the fucking medical benefits so that everyday citizens can at least breathe a sigh of relief. So it's like, why do I even have this terrible fucking insurance? And who the fuck at the company I work for thought it was a good idea to go with this other fucking company that has such terrible reviews and so many problems? We were fine with United. I would have been fine paying a little bit more if it meant that I could have continued to not have to deal with all these hassles and problems and lack of communication and you fucking giving me homework. Like, I pay you, fucking talk to the other insurance, you fucking dickbags. Why do I have to fucking get involved? I'm the one that goes when I'm sick and I get treated, right? I'm not supposed to be the one that is your fucking office support staff who has to make phone calls and submit claims and wait to see what fun and exciting fucking reason they're going to give me the bird via a letter that denies me in the process. I'm so goddamn sick of the American healthcare system fucking people over and all these hoops we have to jump through. And I really wish that like all of their headquarters would just magically vanish off the face of the planet. And then these CEOs on their fucking fancy yachts would be like, oh, the building's gone? We can't run the business? Oh, what are we going to do? I don't know. Maybe don't be a crooked piece of shit, and I wouldn't have to fantasize about black magic and Rita Repulsa from Power Rangers shooting a magic ray from her base on the moon to make your building disappear, and then all your fucking employees have no place to go to. And then the fucking machine grinds to a halt, and you're forced to actually answer for your bullshit. So fuck you, Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield. You useless bunch of cunts. I'm so fucking mad that I have to have you for insurance. Eat a dick and die.